Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. In this one, we are going to be covering my first Hooters experience as an adult. Now, I have gone to Hooters before when I was younger in the past, actually when I had a fake ID. And, it was an okay place. There was nothing too exciting there, nothing I haven't seen before. But me and my boy, Jesus, I like to call him Jesus, we kind of have a competition going of us, going to places and seeing what all there is to see and kind of competing on who can pull who. And while we never truly, at least in my case, I never truly intend on doing anything with the girls I meet there. It's always fun to see who can pull what and whatnot. It's a cool competition between us bros. And so I'm, riding. I'm going 150 on the highway. Of course, on legal streets, edited, and I'm pulling up to Ojos Locos right now. But little did I know that there will be some weird cover charge because it's Saturday afternoon and the Canelo fight is about to take place. And I fuck with Canelo. I think he's a tremendous fighter. But right here I'm merging on the highway and this dude is literally right up my ass. So I'm revving, I'm looking at him like, bro, what the fuck are you doing? Like, give me some space, dude. Like, you're the one merging onto me. And I'm just thinking, like, what a fucking asshole. If y'all ride bikes, give him some space. Give the homie some space, or the chick. And I'm pointing my camera like, buddy, come on, And I flip him the fun finger. But anyways, I'm back on track, and I'm talking to my homie on the phone like, I'm almost there, bro. Pulling up, and it's the first time he actually arrives before I do. Now, for all the biker bros, y'all know we get front row parking. You know what I'm saying? Like, we don't park in those spots. We're special like that. And so I pull up on the sidewalk, and I park in a way where it's not going to disturb or bother anyone. But I like to have my bike somewhere I can see it, because she's my baby. We gotta keep eyes on her at all times. But they tell me there's a cover charge of $20. Me and him say, fuck all that, let's just go to Hooters. So he's following me right now, and of course you gotta flex on the homie in the minivan. And I get up to about 1:30 here. Of course edited and on legal streets and all that jazz, but I get up to speed. I have a case of the Zoomies, and I'm just enjoying my experience right now. I think I speak for all the biker bros when we say that the bike is like a therapeutic experience. It's a way of getting away from the world, from our life, from whatever situation we may be. I pull up at the light and I'm blasting music in my ears, and I didn't even know there was a 12-year-old homeless boy, asking me for money. I thought he was just checking out the bike at first, and I later processed, holy shit, this dude is asking for money, and in his sign, while edited, I could tell he's a 12-year-old boy, because that's what he wrote. I felt pretty bad, especially because I don't carry cash. But anyways, I pull up to Hooters, get front seat parking, and this time it was my night, and I was able to, let's just say I was able to get more attention than my homie this time. And he hates that. He hates when I win, but sometimes it's my day, sometimes it's his day. And I pull in, and there's a cute blonde girl who she's kind of into me, but I later find out she has a boyfriend, and I can already tell if I really want to, I could steal her away, but that's I don't need none of that karma. So by this point, we're heading to the club, and after having a good night, when traffic is reduced, I get a big case of Zoomies, and I hit a new record high. Previously the fastest I'd gone on a bike was about 160 miles per hour, and let's just say I broke that record this night. On the GTI, I've gone up to a little bit over 180 miles per hour, and it was, very different to my experience on the bike. And on the bike, in these clips, I would pull up to 175 miles per hour. Unfortunately, my phone was covering the speedometer, which kind of pissed me off, because what I see and what the camera sees are two different things. And when I'm in full tuck at those speeds, you just see me blasting past cars like if they're not moving, like they're fully stationary. And unfortunately, the camera just records my phone, right? And that's the thing about the GoPro Hero 12. It doesn't come naturally with the view I wanted it to come with. And the protective screen actually just came off while I was writing. I thought that was really funny. But I think it looks better without the protective screen. It looks a lot more clear. And anyways, right? So I'm here hauling booty on the edited video. I had a good night. I feel good. And the thought strikes me, like, my phone is in the fucking way. There's gotta be a better way to record. So, today is Tuesday afternoon, and my GoPro lens just arrived. It's called the GoPro Hero 12 Mod 2 Ultra View lens. And I just gave her a test, and it's the exact view I was looking for. It's so wide and perfect, so I can't wait to record in that. And additionally, I had my 360 camera, my selfie stick, the extension that goes in the back, that gives that rear GTA perspective. I had it stolen off my bike, so my replacement one came in, which is even longer than the one that I originally had. So the 360 view is gonna look insane. I cannot wait to film in that. But my Hooters experience as an adult, it went to plan. It's funny because my homeboy seems to have way more success with Hispanic girls, and I have way more success with American girls. And when we talk about it, I explain how, I just don't know how to flirt in Spanish, as it's not my native tongue. I just don't know how to flirt. But when it comes to English speakers, I feel like I got that Riz game. And so we go back and forth. We have these weird little competitions, and it's kind of fun. It's kind of fun having a homie who is also good looking. We can kind of compete against each other and see what all we can do. So I would rate my Hooters experience as an adult as a 8.5 out of 10. I gotta say, the drinks were kind of stale. They don't make good drinks. I didn't even bother eating the food. You don't go there for the food. I don't know. I feel like Hooters just isn't what it used to be. It was a lot smaller. I don't know. It's a thing that I didn't expect. So after I get out, I get the zoomies, I'm riding back, I'm feeling good. But I look at the time and it's barely 8 in the afternoon, so I'm like, alright, I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna change, and I'm gonna wait till it's a more appropriate time to go out. And I see another biker bro out with his girl, and he gives me the wave, so I gotta give him the wave too. And that's the thing about the biker community, it's so much closer than the car community. We have way more of a bond. I feel like the car scene, is just way more toxic, while the biker bros just love to bond. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the video. Subscribe, like, comment, share.